Welcome to the YouTube channel of Snehlata Shrivastava, XSG Lok Sabha. In continuation of my previous video on the President Address procedure, in this video I am going to tell you further about the whole thing. Like booking of Central Hall. In order to make the Central Hall available for holding rehearsal, General Works Branch will be asked by table office in advance not to make any allotment of the Central Hall for that day. The JS Director Security will be asked to take steps to keep the route of the procession and the Central Hall clear of any obstruction at the time of the rehearsal. On the occasion of the President address, allotment of seats will be made by the table office under orders of Secretary General as first row of sectors 1, 2, 4, 13 seats starting from the entrance to Central Hall facing gate number 1 of the Parliament House will be reserved for the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Deputy Chairman, Deputy Speaker, Rajya Sabha, if any, and cabinet ministers respectively, starting from seat number 13 towards the left. The Prime Minister will be seated at seat number 14 of Sector 5, and few seats to his or her right are reserved for Leader of the House, Opposition, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, as the case may be, followed by former Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, if any. Other cabinet minister will be allotted seats to the left and right of the Prime Minister in accordance with their seniority or order in which their name appear in the list of Council of Ministers issued by the Cabinet Secretariat, except seat number 10, 11, 12 and 13, which will be allotted to the Deputy Speaker, Deputy Chairman and Minister of Parliamentary Affairs respectively. The second, third and fourth rows of Sector 1 to 4, 13, 16 and 16 seats respectively, depending upon the number of Ministers of State, etc., will be reserved for Minister of State, Deputy Ministers, panel of chairpersons, Vice Chairman, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Second row of Sector 5, 6, 7, 8 will be reserved for leaders of opposition parties in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha according to the strength of their parties in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Normally, seats will be reserved for leaders of opposition parties having strength of 8 and above in Lok Sabha and 5 and above in Rajya Sabha. However, depending upon the circumstances, the matter will be reviewed from time to time and seats may be reserved for leaders of parties having strength less than that mentioned above under the orders of the Secretary General. In case the number of leaders of opposition parties in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is more than the number of seats available, then seats in the third row of Sector 5, 6, 7, 8 will be reserved for them. Seats in the third and fourth row of Sector 5, 6, 7 and 8 will be reserved in blocks for chairpersons of parliamentary committees and deputy leaders, chief whips of parties in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. All the other seats in the Central Hall will be left open for members of parliament. Name cards will be fixed only in case of Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Minister of State, Deputy Speaker, Deputy Chairman, etc. For other ministers, there will be only indication slips on the desk saying Minister of State. Seats of leader of parties will be reserved by fixing the cards. Leaders of the opposition Lok Sabha, leader of CPI, Rajya Sabha, and so on. In order to ensure that seats reserved for ministers do not remain vacant, the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs will be requested before the date fixed for the address to intimate to the Secretariat the names of ministers who will not be able to attend the address. Similarly, leaders of opposition parties groups will be contacted to ensure that they will be present at the time of the address. In case the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs intimate the names of ministers who will not be able to attend the address, seats will not be reserved for them and necessary changes in the reservation of seats will be made. Then the self-contained bulletin part 2 containing the following information regarding the President address will be issued 3 clear days before the address, date of address, route, traffic, arrival and departure of the Honorable President, members who have not taken their seats in the House, amendments to motion of thanks, supply of copies of the President's address and sitting of Lok Sabha. The paragraph regarding issue of visitors card on the occasion of President's address to be supplied by the Security Division, CPIC, will also be issued in the same bulletin. Copies of the address, as soon as the date of the president address is fixed, the president secretariat will be asked to supply the copies of the president's address for circulation to members of Lok Sabha in Hindi and English versions, and a copy each for the address in English and Hindi versions duly authenticated by the president, which will be laid on the table of the Lok Sabha by the Secretary General at the sitting to be held half an hour after the conclusion of the president's address. And similarly, the other procedures to supply the copies of address. Then the table office, after receiving the copy of the address, will check the authenticated copy to see whether any correction, addition has been made therein, and whether other copies have also been corrected accordingly. If the correction, addition made in the authenticated copy has not been incorporated in other copies, table office will point it out to the president secretariat and will ensure that all the copies are corrected immediately before these are distributed to members. The Secretary General shall be kept informed contemporaneously to these developments by Joint Secretary. Thank you.